Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mark of Map1 TV, and today I'm going to show you how to upload videos with more than 20 seconds in your Facebook or Messenger story. I know some of you are having trouble in uploading those videos, but there is a simple trick on which you can upload videos with more than 20 seconds. So most of us will probably do this. So we simply click the your story, and then we find our video and then upload that directly on the Messenger story. But we end up cutting and trimming those videos because that is the required length of the Messenger story. So there is a simple remedy for that, and there is a simple trick in which we can upload our video full length without trimming or cutting. So first we need to click the search button, and after that find or search your own account or your name in the search button. Then click the image icon, find the video that you are going to upload, and then click or tap this edit. So do not tap the send, because that we're going to send on your own account. Now if you're going to edit this one, you can also add stickers and text on your video to be uploaded on your story. Then after that, click or tap the your story, and then it will be uploaded directly to your Facebook or Messenger story. Okay, so that is how to upload videos with more than 20 seconds on your story or Messenger or Facebook story. So guys, if this video helped you, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated to my next video. Please don't forget also to share this to your friends so that they will be able to know on how to upload videos with more than 20 seconds on their story.